Hi everybody, Anna, please show us the current status of our project of the gearbox production.
Hello Sasha, I prepared an IMA simulation. Let's have a look at it in Omniverse. There it is. But Tony, didn't you say that you have new information about the logistics?
Yes, I prepared the new flow rack for an optimal material supply.
Perfect. Please update our scenario, Tony.
Let me arrange it quickly. Here we go.
Thank you. Johanna, what do you think about the ergonomics?
Now the racks are higher than before, so we should check the ergonomics. Anna, can you please open the ergonomic results in EMA?
Sure, give me a second to simulate it.
Ergonomics need an improvement. We should put a container of the shafts into a lower level.
Here are the new results.
Now the ergonomics are much better and we have a low-risk workplace.
Amazing. Thank you, team. Great collaboration.